Well, it's another fall day here in Ohio. Probably one of my close to the end of the year trips. Temperature's been dropping. Next week's going to be quite a bit colder. We should be in the 60s today. So maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like my fishing season might be coming to an end soon. Gonna try and get out there and test out the deer woods a little. But for now, let's see what we can do with the largemouth bass. Hopefully they're biting today. Fingers crossed. There we go. Just redeemed myself. Had some bad line on there. Lost my first one to a break off. That was a painful hit. We all know what those jackhammers run. That's a beautiful fish. Perfect. Feel much better. Barely got her. Oh yeah, good fish, good fish. My bait in here? Nope, I lost it. I was hoping it was the same fish. We'll take it though. Good fish. Let's see if we can't catch a second one. Good fish. Yep, I'm just fishing the mouth of this little cove area here. I was hoping some bait fish might be out on around the edges, around the points of it. More so the bass. I mean, sure we want the bait fish in here. A little bit of grass down there. Seems dead. There we go. There we go. We'll take it. Ooh, good set on that one. There we go. Not as big as the last one, but definitely take it. Whoop. See ya. There we go. There we go. Not a giant, but we'll take it. Okay, thank you. Yeah, well, not a giant, but we'll take it. That was fun. See ya. There's a little guy. Little dink. See ya. There we go. Right off that dock. We'll take it. Nothing giant, but better than that last one, huh? There we go. Good hook set. Right in that cheek. Good deal. There we go. Good fish, good fish. Ah, boogers! Well, it happens. Let's try this again. Well, I think I'm going to finish up the day. I'm going to fish this shoreline here up to that point where that cove is again. See if there's any more bass back in there after I was already beating it up pretty good earlier today. And then after that, I think I'm going to call it a day. Fingers crossed. Let's see if we can't end the day on a couple more. Yep, there's one. Ha ha! All right. There we go. Good fish. Can't complain. Not bad, not bad. Thank you, sir. Well, I can't complain. Definitely had fun, caught some fish. Gonna give it a shot tomorrow too, I think. This weather's supposed to keep up and be nice, so might as well take advantage of it. Gonna get myself back to my truck, pack it up and eat, call it a day. Be back at it again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Happy fishing.